Welcome to Dev English Lab.
I'm Alex, the team lead.
I'm Jordan, the developer.
And I'm Sarah, the QA engineer. Today, Jordan explains his plan for today's task. Let's listen in.
Morning, everyone. Quick heads up before we start. We have a client demo tomorrow afternoon.
Oh, tomorrow already?
Yes, so let's walk through today's plan carefully.
Good to know. That changes my testing priorities a bit.
Jordan, what did you finish yesterday?
Yesterday, I built this search bar on the homepage. Users can type a word and press enter.
Nice. How does it look so far?
It looks clean. But, there's one small issue.
Oh, I found that one this morning.
What issue?
When the search box is empty, it shows every single product.
Every product? How many is that?
Around 300 items from an empty search.
Yeah, I saw that too. It's kind of funny, honestly.
That's not ideal, but it's not a big deal. Can you fix that today?
Yes, that's first on my list.
I also found a second issue, a smaller one.
Go ahead.
The search is case sensitive. Laptop and laptop give different results.
Oh, I didn't catch that one. I'll keep that in mind and fix it right after the first bug.
Good. So what's your plan for today, step by step?
First, I'll fix the empty search bug, then the case-sensitive issue. After that, I want to build the search results page.
Sounds like a full day. Anything blocking you?
Actually, yes, one thing. The results page needs the real search API from the back-end team, and it's not ready yet.
That's a problem. With the demo tomorrow. When will the API be ready?
I'm not sure. Maybe tomorrow morning, maybe later.
That's cutting it close for the demo.
Let's plan for the worst case. Jordan, could you use mock data for the results page instead?
Yeah, actually, that could work. I can build the page with mock data now, then swap in the real API once it's ready.
Perfect. We can work around that for tomorrow.
I can help too. I'll write test cases for the results page today. That way, we're ready as soon as the real API arrives.
That's a great idea, Sarah. I'll message the back-end team lead about the timeline.
Thanks, Alex. That takes some pressure off.
No problem. Let's do a quick recap before we go. Jordan, fix both bugs, then build the results page with mock data.
Got it. And I'll swap in the real API once it lands.
Sarah, write test cases for the results page.
Yes, and I'll retest Jordan's bug fixes this afternoon.
And I'll follow up with the back-end team about the API. Sounds like a solid plan. Any questions?
No, that's clear. Thanks, everyone.
All good here too.
Great, let's get to it.
Talk soon, team.
Bye everyone. Good luck with the demo prep, Jordan.
Thanks. I'll need it.
Okay, that was a busy stand-up, with a demo added into the mix.
Yeah. And my search bar showed off half the store for a minute there.
All right, let's pick out some of the best phrases from that.
Sounds good. I'm ready.
First one, I said, let's walk through today's plan.
Right. That was just after you mentioned the demo.
It means, let's go through the plan step by step, together. We use it when there's a lot to explain clearly. Say it with me. Let's walk through today's plan.
Let's walk through today's plan.
One more time.
Let's walk through today's plan.
Next, I said, that's not ideal, but it's not a big deal.
Yeah. Right after Sarah found the empty search bug.
It means a problem isn't perfect, but it's manageable. We use it to stay calm about small issues. Try it. That's not ideal, but it's not a big deal.
That's not ideal, but it's not a big deal.
One more time.
That's not ideal, but it's not a big deal.
You said this one. I'll keep that in mind.
Yeah, right after Sarah told me about the case-sensitive bug.
It means you noted a problem and you won't forget it. Say it with me. I'll keep that in mind.
I'll keep that in mind.
One more time.
I'll keep that in mind.
I said this next one. Let's plan for the worst case.
That was about the API not being ready, right?
Yes, it means we prepare for the most difficult outcome, just in case. Say it with me. Let's plan for the worst case.
Let's plan for the worst case.
One more time.
Let's plan for the worst case.
Then I said, we can work around that.
Yeah, that's when you suggested the mock data idea.
It means we find another way to solve a problem, without waiting. Try it. We can work around that.
We can work around that.
One more time.
We can work around that.
Last one. Sounds like a solid plan.
That's a nice way to close a stand-up.
Exactly right. It means the plan is clear and reliable. We use it to end a meeting on a confident note. Say it with me. Sounds like a solid plan.
Sounds like a solid plan.
One more time.
Sounds like a solid plan.
Beautiful. Nice work on those. Okay, phrases done. Let's look at a few key words now.
Oh, the tech words? Let's go.
First word, demo, short for demonstration.
That's when you show the product to a client, right?
Exactly right. For example, we have a client demo tomorrow afternoon. Together, 3 times. Demo, demo, demo.
Demo, demo, demo.
Next, mock data, 2 words together.
Is that fake data you use for testing instead of the real thing?
Yes, exactly. For example, I'll build the page with mock data first. Together, 3 times. Mock data. Mock data. Mock data.
Mock data. Mock data. Mock data.
Next, case sensitive. Say it slowly. Case sensitive.
That's when uppercase and lowercase letters give different results?
Exactly right. For example, the search is case sensitive right now. Together, 3 times. Case sensitive. Case sensitive. Case sensitive.
Case sensitive. Case sensitive. Case sensitive.
Next word, endpoint.
Isn't that the address where an API receives requests?
Exactly right. For example, the results page needs the search endpoint. Together, 3 times. Endpoint. Endpoint. Endpoint.
Endpoint. Endpoint. Endpoint.
Last word, fallback.
That's a backup plan if the first option doesn't work.
Exactly right. For example, mock data is our fallback until the API is ready. Together, 3 times. Fallback. Fallback. Fallback.
False. Fallback. Fallback.
Great job. Your tech words sound really clean. Words are done. Now let's try some shadowing.
Oh, nice. I like this part.
Me too. Just copy me. The sound, the rhythm, the feeling. This first sentence sounds natural because it uses then to show 2 steps in order. Slow version. I can build the page with mock data, then swap in the real API.
I can build the page with mock data, then swap in the real API.
Full speed. I can build the page with mock data, then swap in the real API. I can build the page with mock data, then swap in the real API. Together, 2 times.
I can build the page with mock data, then swap in the real API. I can build the page with mock data, then swap in the real API.
This next one is short, but it says something important about time pressure. Slow version. That's cutting it close for the demo.
That's cutting it close for the demo.
Full speed. That's cutting it close for the demo. That's cutting it close for the demo. Together, 2 times.
That's cutting it close for the demo. That's cutting it close for the demo.
Last one sounds calm and confident, even under pressure. Slow version. We can work around that for tomorrow.
We can work around that for tomorrow.
Full speed. We can work around that for tomorrow. We can work around that for tomorrow. Together, 2 times.
We can work around that for tomorrow. We can work around that for tomorrow.
Okay, that's our practice for today. Before we go, let's review the key phrases from today.
Sure, let's go through them.
Let's walk through today's plan.
That's not ideal, but it's not a big deal.
I'll keep that in mind.
Let's plan for the worst case.
We can work around that.
Sounds like a solid plan.
Honestly, we can work around that is the one I use the most in real life.
Yeah, that's a good line for staying calm under pressure. Oh, and quick reminder, you don't have to catch every word the first time.
This whole episode is on englishlab.cloud, completely free, whenever you want it.
Replay the audio, follow the transcript, and go at your own pace.
Keep practicing a little every day. It really does add up. Thank you for practicing with us today.
Keep listening, keep practicing,
Take care of your English.
and take care at work.
This is Alex.
And I'm Jordan. See you in the next one.